My name is Ерденова Л.Н. I am a teacher of English of Костанай Building College. Before we start our lesson, guess what will we do in today's lesson? What am I? I am usually in your pocket and your bag. I can connect you to other people. You can use me to do two different things. I can make phone call. Yes, it is a mobile phone. Of course, today's theme of our lesson is developing and evaluating mobile application. The aim of our lesson to discuss about virtual reality and work in different mobile application by using new technology. It seems to me that you know about mobile application. That's why we start our lesson. The task number 1, listen to the conversation and mark the sentence true or false. After the listening, you will work in application Quizlet and make a task. Identify true or false. And now go to this link and work.
Welcome to Zero to ProTraining.com. What is virtual reality? In this video, we will talk about what is virtual reality. Virtual reality, or VR, refers to computer technologies that use software to generate realistic images, sounds, and other sensations that replicate a real environment. Virtual reality simulates users' physical presence in this environment by enabling the user to interact with this space and any objects depicted therein, using specialized display screens, or projectors, and other devices. VR has been defined as a realistic and immersive simulation of a three-dimensional environment, created using interactive software and hardware, and experienced or controlled by movement of the body. A person using virtual reality equipment is typically able to look around the artificial world, move about in it, and interact with features, or items, that are depicted on a screen, or in goggles. Virtual realities artificially create sensory experiences, which can include sight, touch, hearing, and, less commonly, smell. Most modern virtual realities are displayed, either on a computer monitor, a projector screen, or with a virtual reality headset, also called head-mounted display, or HMD. HMDs typically take the form of head-mounted goggles, with a screen in front of the eyes. Some simulations include additional sensory information, and provide sounds, through speakers or headphones. Virtual reality actually brings the user into the digital world, by cutting off outside stimuli. In this way, user is solely focusing on the digital content. Some VR systems, used in video games, can transmit vibrations, and other sensations, to the user via the game controller.
Task number 2. Reading. Read the text about cool jobs doing real science in virtual worlds and answer to the following question. After reading the text, you must answer the questions. How does a virtual reality headset work? What kind of virtual environment does David Peters use in his research? What aspect of speech is Peters studying? How could Peters' research someday help people with autism? How can a doctor use virtual reality to treat someone's fear? Task number 3. Writing. Work with Gmboard. Follow to this link and complete the task. Choose one application, for example Gymboard, and write essay in use future simple. Look at the famous icon of mobile applications. Choose to use more often. Write how and why use them in your life. Use quantifiers much and many correctly with it necessary. Start your work, please. Task number 4. Speaking. Criteria for speaking. Contribute equally to the group discussion. Give and explain your opinion. Use future simple tense. Speak fluently. But before we start this work, please watch video how to use and work in this application Padlet. After watching, do task. Use new technology in your work.
Welcome to this video. Here I will show you how to begin adding content to your Padlet. So we're going to start with the most basic content, which is just text. And basically you can begin adding by using this little plus button down here at the bottom. Once I press that, it creates a little post, and every post is just kind of like a little post-it that will show up. You can give it a title and then write whatever you would like there. So you might say, this is your learning defense, or whatever your project is, and there you have a post. I can grab this post and drag it to wherever I would like. I can also use the 3 dots to change the color. So you can always add a post using this plus button down here, but you could also go anywhere on your screen and double click to create another one. And again, you can drag them wherever. One neat option is if you press these 3 dots, you have an option to draw a line between 2 posts. So I could say I want to connect this post to another one. I select where I want that connection, and I can even label that connection with whatever would be appropriate. If that connection is not appropriate, I can go back to that 3 dots and disconnect. And luckily those arrows will move with you as you drag. So you could just create posts wherever you would like. Once you create them, color code them, connect them up, and you have this amazing brainstorm idea. So you might have kind of like a web of ideas, like so. Also, this canvas will resize for you, so if I begin to drag this off the screen, then I just get a scroll bar, so I can make as large a space as I need to get my ideas across.
Follow the link. Explain your opinion. In this Padlet, you will see task, question for discussion. Okay, you watch video and understand how to work with this application. And now, please answer for the following question. Do you think virtual reality will be popular in future? Explain your opinion. Which technologies do you expect to be more popular in the future? Explain and support your opinion. Do you think parents should change the parental control on virtual reality gaming systems? Or should children be trusted to play what they like? Explain and support your position. How many text messages do you send per day? Why? Do you know how to use function on your phone? Give some examples of usage. What kind of features do your cell phones have? How long have you had a mobile phone? How long can you stay without your mobile? You don't a lot of tasks with using new technology and mobile application, and your homework will be answer the question and give you a recommendation of using mobiles. Are you allowed to use your mobile switch on your class? Yes, no. Why do you think so? In what way using mobiles in classes can be beneficial? What disadvantages using mobiles in classes may have. At what age do kids now get cell phones? Does it bother you when people use mobiles in public? Now the lesson is over. Goodbye.